had lots of shame about not having my back teeth. You know, it affects you emotionally. I mean, I had a slight depression probably for 8 years, you know? I felt like I was hiding something. It was just really weird. People look at me like I'm crazy. Why don't you get your dental work done here? I still saved $30,000-$40,000. I had no pain at all in the procedure. After the procedure, and this is having most of the rest of my teeth removed, I took a couple Advil the next day and I worked. I had no pain at all. It was worth it to me to fly into Dallas from Colorado Springs to get this work done. Dr. Iskandar is worth it. He's worth it.